Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll learn to hide the tabs and unhide the tabs. This is a very simple code, and I'll tell you how to do it. So here in this sheet, we have multiple tabs with the city names, and what we'll try to do is hide these tabs using a code instead of manually hiding each sheets. So let's see how to write the code for that. Press Alt F11 to go to VB editor and we'll insert module and let's give this macro name as hide subject hide sheets. So I'll type cb hide sheets. You can give any name. I've given hide sheets. And here we'll find how many sheets are there. So we'll give one variable total sheet. Total sheets is active workbook sheets count. So how many sheets are there in our workbook? Active workbook sheets and count. Then we loop it from the second. Since first is our main sheet, we don't want to hide it. And moreover, you cannot hide entire workbook. You have to keep at least one of the sheets unhidden. So let's see. So for I equals to second sheet, total sheet. Total sheets the variable just we have given, which will be number of sheets in the workbook. Next, so it will look through second to the last sheet. And to hide, the code is sheets and our variable I. So first it will take second, then third and fourth until last it will go. And visible, what we should do, we are making it not visible. So visible is hidden. So we'll write Excel sheet sheet hidden. So it will the visibility will be hidden and it will loop and it will go until the last sheet. And let's see how it runs. So we'll run the code one by one, step by step. So total sheet with respect is total sheet is 11. So it will loop from second sheet to the 11. Since we'll not be hiding the first sheet, so here we see second sheet is Bengaluru and it will hide it. See hidden. Next, now the sheet number is 3, that is Chennai, and it will hide. And it will keep going till until last. So we'll run for once. And you see all the sheets are hidden. Now we'll write a code to unhide these sheets. So we'll make another, we'll say this as unhide sheets. What we'll do from each, all the sheets will unhide one by one. So what I will give here for for each worksheet in the active workbook, each sheet in active workbook worksheets. Worksheets here. For each worksheet, including the first, that will hide. Anyway, the first one is needed, but will give. So worksheet visible. Previously, to hide, we have given Excel sheet hidden. So here we'll give Excel sheet visible. Next worksheet. Next worksheet. Space here. Now we'll see how it works. So we'll run one by one, step by step. Visible, so it's making visible. Okay, sheet visible, so it will make all the sheets visible. So today we learned how to unhide and hide the sheets using the code. So that's all for this video. We'll see something new in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravnan.